If your Iowa license is suspended and the state says you need an SR22, SR22 Direct can help you get the right policy started today. The process can feel confusing at first, but the main goal is simple. Get the right coverage in place, keep it active, and avoid anything that delays your reinstatement. An SR22 is a certificate, not a separate insurance policy. It is proof filed with the Iowa Department of Transportation, showing that your coverage meets the state's required liability limits. Iowa's minimum liability coverage is 20, 40, 15. That means $20,000 per person for bodily injury, $40,000 per accident for bodily injury, and $15,000 for property damage. Iowa may require SR22 proof after several situations, including OWI-related revocations, driving without insurance, being involved in an accident without proper coverage, habitual or serious violations, or other suspension issues. The point of the SR22 is to prove financial responsibility going forward. Iowa requires proof of financial responsibility from the first day of the suspension or revocation, and it is generally required for 2 years. If you fail to show or maintain proof of financial responsibility, Iowa can suspend your license and registrations. Consecutive coverage matters. If you miss a payment, cancel a policy, or switch insurance companies before the new SR22 is active, the state can be notified. A gap in coverage can lead to another suspension and create problems when completing your required SR22 period. Insurance premiums often increase after an SR22 requirement, especially if the violation involved OWI, reckless driving, driving without insurance, or an accident. The exact increase depends on your driving history, vehicle, location, coverage limits, and the company you choose. Iowa rates can vary from one carrier to another, so shopping multiple options can make a real difference. The SR22 filing fee itself is usually manageable, often $15 to $50 at a one-time cost. The bigger financial impact usually comes from the insurance premium. If you do not own a vehicle, a non-owner SR22 policy may be an option. This can provide liability coverage when you drive vehicles you do not own and is often less expensive than a policy that covers a car you do own. Set up autopay, keep your policy active, and make sure any new SR22 is in place before canceling your old coverage. Visit SR22direct.com to get your Iowa SR22 policy started today and compare rates, or call or text 888-620-SR22. That's 888-620-7722. Agents are standing by to help you get legal and back on the road today.